Hey everyone, it's Jill. I hope you're having an amazing day. I want to show you what you can do when you have leftover bread. I'm going to show you a super simple recipe called bread pudding using leftover bread and ingredients that you probably already have in your house. So let's get started and show you how fun and easy this is to make. So to start, what you want to do is you want to get a saucepan. You want to pour your 2 cups of milk, then your butter in, then your sugar, and we're going to heat this up and stir it till the butter is melted. And then we're going to add in the vanilla. So you want to keep stirring the butter until it completely melts. Once it's melting, then you can go ahead and take it off the burner and then add in your vanilla. While your butter is melting, keep a watch on it, but at the same time, you can actually start to beat your eggs. So now that the butter is already melted, I can pour in my vanilla and go ahead and stir that. I'm going to wait until this mixture comes down to where it's warm so I can actually add in the eggs. Place your dried bread cubes in a dish, about a 4 to 5 cup dish, and just layer it here. And we're gonna pour our milk mixture over it and then let it sit in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Now that your milk and your sugar and your butter has been melted and you've cooled it down just a little bit, now we're ready to add in our beaten eggs. So go ahead and dump that in and just stir it really well. And what you're going to do is you're going to pour this into your stale bread cubes and you're going to let it sit in the refrigerator for 1 hour. If you do not have time to do that, go ahead and get your oven started at 350 degrees and go ahead and bake it. But if you really want a nicely soaked in bread pudding that is so delicious, then you want to make sure that you let it refrigerate for at least 1 hour. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this in. You just want to distribute it all over those breadcrumbs. Okay. And we're going to let that soak in all our bread. If your bread cubes are not stale, then you want to kind of crisp them up. So go ahead and preheat your oven to about 400 degrees, lay them in a pan and bake them for about 10 minutes. And then they'll get nice and dried out and crusty, and that makes a better bread pudding.